Welcome back to the channel all about cooking for beginners. And today we have a bit of a challenge, using 6 ingredients or less, but not counting water, oil, or salt. We're going to see how long it takes me to make a dish. All prep with the exception of washing vegetables and measuring ingredients within the allotted time. Ingredients for this first challenge of bean salad are on the screen now. And let's begin the timer. So to start, we open both cans and drain them well. Afterwards, we empty them into the bowl. The beans I have here are chickpeas and pinto beans. Giving them a mash is also optional, but I like the texture. If you don't want to do it, feel free to skip it. Next up is the onion. So peel the outer skin and outermost layer because it's very papery and doesn't offer much flavor. Then give it a fine dice. After that, we work on the cucumber. We also peel the skin because it's a little papery and can be hard to chew. Then we cut it into quarters and slice it up. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, we add the yogurt and the mustard, stir it all around to make sure it's evenly incorporated. Also, be smarter than me and use an adequately sized bowl so you don't have ingredients spilling out the sides. Last step is to add the seasoning. What I'm doing right now is just adding salt. You can add black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, whatever you want, but for me, I'm keeping it simple and just using salt. Give it a final stir, and with that you are done. This took me just under 6 minutes. Plate it up on some toast. I like to sprinkle a little bit of paprika on mine for more taste and as a garnish, but do as you'd like. I hope you found this recipe useful, and for more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.